So, ito po yung internal organs ng frog namin. So, firstly, from left to right tayo, okay? Firstly, this is our gallbladder. And then, next is our liver. I mean, yung frog's liver. Harley's liver. Tapos ito, yung gallbladder namin. Pumutok siya sa na-incise ko, accidentally. And then, ito yung large intestine namin. Ito yung small intestine. And then, ito yung spleen. And then, ito yung stomach. And then, ito yung aming pancreas. And then, this is the heart. This is the lungs. And then, ito, hindi siya kailangan, pero additionally, these are the testes. And then, yung cloaca namin, as you can see, merong pin dito. Hindi na namin siya tinanggal. Right here. Ito yung pin. Ayan. Diyan yung cloaca. Sa loob. Hindi na namin siya tinanggal.